How to add links to navigation in Google Sites. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add the links or any type of link or a page into the specific website of yours to the navigation bar. So we are going to head over to sites.google.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we are going basically here to have the access to the websites that we have created. I'm going to click or select a website, and then we are going to find, as you can see here, the specific elements. Now what we're going to do is going to be very easy. As you can see at the top of the header, we are going to have a navigation bar. So this is the main menu. How we can add elements to it or links. Basically, it is going to be very easy. We're going to head over to the right side of the screen. From here, we're going to see the control panel. We have the insert, the pages, and the themes. Click on pages, and then we're going to start adding by the plus button. So basically here, as you can see, the plus button, we can add a new page, we can add a new link, a full embed page, or a new section. So I'm going to add links. So these links are going to be either related to a specific, as you can see, page, or you can go ahead and put them into some, let's say, specific sections. Or you can go ahead also and make them redirect to an external page or an external website. So, for example, I can go ahead and have Canva, for example. Here, as you can see, we are going to have the link of Canva. And what I'm going to do basically is going to be very easy. So I'm going to type in the name of that link as, for example, Canva. And we are going to paste the link here. And we're going to suggest that it is going to open into a new tab, since it is going to be an external tab or an external website. If it is going to be internal, I highly recommend for you to untick that option. So I'm going to click on add or done, and as you can see, we are going to have the Canva. So the links are going to be having this double chain, or the as you can see, the ribbon of the chains linked together, and the pages are going to be represented with the icon of pages. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.